Good morning, ma'am. My name is Aish Madan. I read in class 6A. Today, I will tell you how to make sprouts. Sprouts are very healthy to our body. Ingredients which are need for making sprouts are tomato, cucumber, tomato, black salt, coriander, lemon juice, and some black pepper. And this is our sprouts. 2 days before, we take some water and pulses and kept it, and after 2 days it becomes sprouts. First we need some cucumbers, then we will put it in our sprouts. Then we will take some tomatoes and we will also put it in our sprouts. Then we will take some salt and mix it in our sprouts. Then we will take some lemon juice and we'll put it in our sprouts. Then we will take some black pepper and mix it in our sprouts. And then we will mix it well. When it becomes good, we will put it in our tray. When we will put it in our sprouts, we will need some coriander. And then we will garnish it with our coriander. Then we can easily eat it. So yummy.
Afternoon, ma'am. My name is Pratham Yadav. I read in class 6th A. Today we are going to make a cold coffee. For that we need to take milk, coffee and powdered sugar. First of all, we add milk and little bit of coffee, and then we add 1 spoon of powdered sugar, and then we need to mix it. Thanks for watching.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kushi Gehlot. I study in class 6th A. Today I am making bhel puri. So first we need tomatoes, onion, lemon, aloo bhujia, chaat masala and kurkure. Then we want to take a bowl and now we want to put this also in this. We want to mix it.
afternoon. My name is Kinjal Dagar from class 6th. I make the aloo ka raita. In I mix the seeds and curd. In I mash the potato. I put in curd and then mix together. Then I put the salt. Then I put in black pepper, jeera and black pepper and then mix together. Then my aloo ka raita was made. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Aradhaga. I read in class 6A. Today I am making cold coffee. So for that we need coffee, milk, and powdered sugar. For that we take a shaker. We put milk, little bit of coffee, and 1 spoon powdered sugar. Now we shake it properly. Now we take a glass or mug, coffee, now I put some coffee, Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Dagar and I am from class 6A. Today we make a sandwich from without electricity and without flame. Let's start. First, we take 2 breads and few tomatoes, ghee and more things. First, we take a spoon and take a ghee and rub it. Then we take a 1 piece of tomato and put on it bread. Then we take second piece and put on it bread. Then here it is chutney and I take a spoon and put on it. Then we put on, then we take this bread and put on this second bread. Our sandwich is ready.
Afternoon, ma'am. My name is Kanika Gehlot. I read in class 6A. Today I am making bread sandwich. So first we have to take two breads and then we have to take some butter. Then we have to take some ketchup. Then we have to take some vegetables like tomato, onion and cabbage. I take first tomato, second onion, third I take cabbage. Then I joint my bread. My bread sandwich is ready.